Hello and welcome Zoho Creator tutorial series. In this video, we will learn why we use stateless form in Zoho Creator and what are the uses of a stateless form. Stateless forms allow you to use the forms component in Creator without storing the data entered through them. Therefore, it is useful when the data may be unnecessary to be stored in your application. So let's jump to the Zoho Creator and have a look. Here we are in Zoho Creator. First of all, we will learn how to make a stateless form. So first of all, we will make a form in Zoho Creator. Uh, let's say make a form of price calculator. Let's name it. Let's name it item name. Make it mandatory and quantity. Earlier price. And total amount. Make it mandatory. Quantity. Okay, done. The stateless forms are the duplicate of the first form. As I mentioned earlier, we make stateless form where we don't need to store a data in Zoho Creator. So let's name it price calculator 1. And please make sure we will not store data in Zoho Creator. So don't click it and make a duplicate. We can also add the multiple fields if we need it, otherwise done it. And here you can see that here is our stateless form. And one more thing, if you want to rename any button or like submit or reset, we can rename it to whatever you want. So we will rename the submit button to calculate button. So move to the developer side of this form and rename the submit button to calculate button. Calculate and done. Here you can see that it is renamed to calculate. So let's move to the example of this form. How we will use this form. And let's move to the workflow and create a new workflow. Here's the price calculator. Click of a button. That will be the calculate. Okay, just name it price calculation. Write to the Deluge script. First of all, calculate the total price of the product. Total price calculation. So name it total price input dot quantity into input dot calculate price. And now we have calculated the total amount of the product. So we will show the pop-up on the click of the calculate button. So product name will be input dot item name. We will use the alert to show the pop-up alert. The total price of product name is total price. Let's save it and have a look. So let's have a so here is our status form. So let's choose it. Let's say the product name is A and purchase price is 15 and quantity is 1, and press the calculate button, and you can say that the total price of product is 15. And let's have another example. Say the quantity is 2 and the price is 50, and press the calculate button, and yes, the price is 100. That's it for today. We have learned what is the status farm and what are the real-time uses of a status farm in Zoho Creators. Hopefully you like my video. If you like it, kindly subscribe my channel for the upcoming videos of a Zoho Creators. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel.